In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video from Jitter. Exporting your work is a crucial step, allowing you to share your creations with a wider audience. So let's dive right in and break down the process to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, you'll want to head over to the Jitter platform and navigate to the Drafts section. Once there, you'll see a list of your projects. Find the specific project you want to export and give it a click. This takes you into the project workspace where you've been doing all your creative work. Now that your project is open, look towards the interface for the export option. You'll need to click on the Export button to begin. This action opens up a menu presenting you with various resolution and pixel options to choose from. Selecting the right resolution is essential for the quality of your export. Whether you're planning to upload your video online or use it for a presentation, picking the appropriate settings for your needs ensures it looks just right. Sometimes you might notice a watermark on your video. If you'd prefer your video to be watermark-free, there's an option available specifically for this. Simply click on Remove Watermark to eliminate it. It's important to note that removing the watermark requires a subscription, so if this is a necessary step for your project, make sure you have an active subscription or consider upgrading if you haven't yet. With the watermark decision out of the way, the next step is to actually download your video file. Look for the download option, typically located near the export button, and click on it. Jitter will then process your request, and your video will soon be ready for you to download directly to your device. Remember, downloading the video might take some time depending on your internet speed and the file size. Be patient as the process completes, and ensure you have enough storage on your device to accommodate the video file. And that wraps up the process of exporting a video from Jitter. With these steps, you should be able to confidently export your projects and share your work with the world. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy creating!